The 12th century Crusaders Church of St. Anne, located at Sepphoris in the Galilee, is traditionally identified as the home of Anne and Joachim, the parents of the Virgin Mary. It is distinct from the more famous Church of St. Anne in Jerusalem. Though both commemorate the same tradition, it is part of the archaeological site of Sepphoris, a major Roman-era city near Nazareth, where St. Anne is believed to have lived. Ang ika-12 siglong Crusaders Church of St. Anna na matatagpuan sa Sepphoris ng Galilee ay tradisyonal na kinilala bilang tahanan ni Anne at Joachim, ang mga magulang ng Birheng Maria. Ang pangunahing Church of St. Anne malapit sa Lions Gate sa lungsod ng Jerusalem ay minamarkahan ang tradisyonal na lugar ng kapanganakan ng Birheng Maria at ang tahanan ng kanyang mga magulang.